hundreds of packages, valid signatures, trusted pipelines, and still compromised. Provenance is not the same as safety. And I've seen that mistake cost organizations months. Here's what's actually happening. An attack called Mini Shai-Hulud hit hundreds of open source packages, including TanStack, UiPath, Mistral AI, all while using valid signatures and trusted pipelines to deliver credential stealing malware. And OpenAI confirmed 2 employee devices were compromised through that same TanStack package. That's not a coincidence. That's a pattern worth paying attention to. Every post-incident conversation I've been a part of goes the same way. Someone asks, which scanner missed it? And that's the wrong question. A valid signature on a malicious package doesn't fail a scanner. It passes. That's the attack. The Axios breach ran the same play. Attackers didn't go after the code. They went after the person publishing it. They compromised the maintainer. They used their credentials and shipped it through a legitimate account. Your scanner has no signal on that. It looked correct because it was published correctly. Now, layer in AI coding agents suggesting dependencies at a pace no governance process was built to match, and you have a real problem. Start asking what governance you have around which packages are even eligible to enter your environment in the first place. That's a sourcing question, not a detection question. Pre-vetted, pre-patch, CVE remediated, those are the properties that have to be established upstream before the package ever lands in your build. The organizations ahead of this aren't running better scanners. They have a governed source. So I want to hear from you. Is your team treating this as a detection problem or a sourcing problem? Your answer determines your next move. Follow ActiveState on LinkedIn for practical guidance on this every week.